incidence rate. This one mainly focuses on new cases to the total time the population is at risk of disease. So this one is mainly used for cohort studies. Okay, mainly used for cohort studies. And there is follow-up compared to in prevalence rate, where there is no follow-up. So the formula for calculating incidence rate is number of new cases of disease or injury during specified period divided by time each person was observed. Totaled for all persons in a given year. In person years. In person years. Person years. Times 10 to the power n. So the answer for this, the incidence rate, it has to be 10,000. No, 10. It has to be deaths per 1,000 person years when you calculate it. Incidence rate. On the prevalence rate, the answer has to be in percentage. Okay. So yeah, remember that for incidence rate is mainly used for follow-up studies, mainly cohort studies. The people are followed up to see if they will get a disease or they will not get a disease. Okay.